It's here! YouTube Shorts are here and we are going to make the best out of it. Hey guys, it's Ola from Income Ola and today I'm going to show you how to make YouTube Shorts on your smartphone. The app is already here. If you still don't have it available in your country, just wait just a little bit patience, and it's going to be there. So let me show you how to make YouTube Shorts on your phone. So there are a few changes that YouTube made lately about YouTube Shorts, and here it is. On your bottom side of your YouTube app, regular YouTube app, you will see Shorts icon. If you click on that, you can watch Shorts.
We're ready, go.
You can like, dislike them, leave a comment, share. You can use an audio. In the past, you just have to do the search and use hashtag Shorts. Now you have this little short icon which will bring you right away to your Shorts. And right away from here, you can go to make your own short. You just click on this little camera icon and you can start your short. If you click on the audio, you can choose to add it to favorites. So let's say I like this audio. I click on the audio. I can mark it as a favorite, or I can use this sound. If I click use this sound, it will prompt me to create a short video with this sound. So the other way to go and make shorts is this plus button that we always had. When you click on the plus button and you scroll down, you'll see a few options. You used to have upload video, go live, create a post if you reach your 1,000 subscribers. Now you have create a short. And if you click on create a short, you will be on your short page. So if you're familiar with TikTok, you will know what to do in YouTube Shorts. They still have very limited options, but I'm sure they're working on it. Above your big red record button, you have this 15 number. If you click on that, you can switch to make a 60-second video or 15-second video. On the right side, you have flip the camera, you have speed that you can control, you have timer, and you have filters. I still didn't see the beauty filter that I use on TikTok because I like my skin be smooth. They don't have it here yet. Maybe I didn't look in the right place, but I couldn't find it. But I'm sure they will add it in eventually. And underneath the filters, you have green screen. If you click on that, your screen, your background going to be green, and you can just choose from your pictures. You just click record and you start talking. And this is my first YouTube short on my iPhone. When you stop, you'll see that you made a clip. So you can change your background. You click on green screen, and now you can change your background for something else. Let's say this one, and then click on done and click on record button, and you continue with this background. So this is my second clip on my first YouTube short. Now if you want to add clips from your phone, you click on this little square and you can choose a video. Instead of yourself continue talking, you add clip from your phone. Of course, it's going to be limited by time. And you also can undo. You see this little reverse arrow? It's undo. So undo the last clip or redo the last clip. So have fun, create your short. It's so easy and so fast. When you're done, click on the check and you can watch your video. This is the time to add music, text, timeline, and filters. Let me add some music. You can browse or choose from your favorites. I still didn't favorite any. So let me choose just this one. Click on this arrow. So you can also adjust the music. Let's say you want just this part or this part. You also can control the volume of the music. And let's add some text to my YouTube short. Of course, you can play with colors and you can make it bigger, and you can add timing or edit it again. If you click on edit, you can play with the size. You can place it everywhere you want. And let's time it to start in the middle of my video. When you're done, click on next. And now you're going to be prompted to add details. And this is very similar to a regular upload of video in YouTube. You just put your caption, which is your title basically. And now you can schedule it or publish it right now. And when you're done, just click on upload. So as you probably noticed, there's a big buzz about YouTube Shorts, and this is your time to hop on the trend and make your shorts. It's easy, it's simple, it takes very little time, and now it's even easier using just your phone. You don't have to have anything else. Try to be as creative as you can, and what I'm doing always when I make a regular video, I make a short version of my big video and I prompt people to watch my full video. This is your opportunity to hop on a train and enjoy what YouTube Shorts can do for you, and trust me, they can. You have a possibility to be very viral even with a small channel. If you don't have very big following, your short can end up on the short shelf and get 100,000 of views. Don't miss the opportunity. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I publish new video for you guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, create.